Mitsubishi Motors Corporation has announced the return of the Grandis nameplate, this time as a compact SUV set to launch in Europe later this year. The all-new Mitsubishi Grandis will be manufactured at Renault's Valladolid plant in Spain, and is built on the CMF-B platform, shared with alliance partner Renault. This marks the Grandis's comeback to the European market after a 13-year hiatus, following the recent launches of the ASX and Colt. The vehicle, designed with a spacious and versatile cabin, will offer mild hybrid (MHEV) and hybrid electric vehicle (HEV) variants. The all-new Mitsubishi Grandis, a compact SUV, derives its name from the Latin for large and impressive, reflecting its spacious interior and bold exterior. It features Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design with a glossy black grille, satin silver accents, and a flowing roofline balancing style and cabin space. The sculptural hexagon rear motif and 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its premium look, complemented by sleek horizontal taillights. The two-row, five-seat interior offers sliding rear seats adjustable by 160 millimeters, expanding luggage capacity from 434 liters VDA to 566 liters when slid forward, or 1,455 liters with seats folded, a hands-free power tailgate, and an electrochromic panoramic glass roof with adjustable transparency add convenience and comfort. Available in mild hybrid (MHEV) and hybrid electric (HEV) variants, the MHEV uses a 1.3-liter turbo gasoline engine, 103 kilowatts, with a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The HEV combines a 1.8-liter gasoline engine, 80 kilowatts, two electric motors, 36 kilowatts and 15 kilowatts, a 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery, and a multi-mode gearbox, delivering 115 kilowatts with EV, hybrid, and regenerative modes, plus an e-save mode. Connectivity includes a 10.4-inch smartphone-link display audio with Google built-in, Assistant, Maps, Play, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Mitsubishi Motors app enables remote functions like car locating. 4 drive modes, Purse, Eco, Comfort, and Sport cater to varied preferences. Safety features include ultrasonic sensors, cameras, radar, and advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, MI Pilot, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic alert. While exact pricing for the 2025 Mitsubishi Grandis in Europe remains undisclosed, estimates based on similar C-segment SUVs like the Renault Symbioz suggest a starting price around 30,000 to 35,000 euros for the MHEV and 35,000 to 40,000 euros for the HEV, depending on trim levels and options.